okay? But what I'd like to do now is to give you a look at what translation memory is going to be more like in the future, and that's Snowball's automatic mode. So let's take a look at the options here. What I'm going to do is to enable auto-suggestion and background storage. I'll hit OK. Then let's just go back to our demo document, and we'll see what happens. So I just start translating by overtyping, just like in the old days before translation memory. This sentence is repeated. And then we'll just get rid of that. And now, when Snowball sees something that it's seen before, I'll just move on to the next sentence. The translation window pops up automatically without my pressing any hotkeys, and it suggests the previous translation for me. So what's happening here is that Snowball's sitting in the background, basically looking over my shoulder as I translate, and then reminding me of what I've translated in the past. I'll just translate this next sentence so that you can see this at work again here. Let's take another look at that. Now, and it doesn't matter how you do the overtyping or deleting or whatever, as long as you just proceed one sentence at a time, Snowball's going to recognize what you've been doing and then suggest your prior translations for things that it recognizes. Otherwise, it just leaves me completely alone to do my creative work. Now, this background storage feature only works for full sentences at a time at present. But if you've got word-by-word processing mode selected, you saw how Snowball will still pop up automatically whenever it recognizes shorter segments or words in addition to the full sentences that you've already translated. And of course, Snowball's also continuously analyzing your database in the background to dig up new terminology from longer segments. Now, at least in my mind, that's the way computers really should work. And it's about time we got some of these features really working properly for us, like they have been for decades in the science fiction movies, instead of having to fight the computer every inch of the way to get the job done.